Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see saved videos on your TikTok from your laptop or your PC. To do so, first of all, just log into your TikTok account from your Google Chrome browser. And now after you have logged into your account, you'll be on the For You page of TikTok. And here, if you have saved any video, to see them, just go onto your profile. And once you add your profile, you can see these options like video, favorites, and like. If you just go onto your favorites, all the saved video that you have saved from your laptop or your PC will appear here. And now this is how you can check for saved video on your TikTok from your PC or laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.